This week's grammar anchor is adjectives. We're going to focus on comparative adjectives as well as superlative adjectives. So, what I need you to do in your notebook, I need you to write down these definitions after I am finished speaking. First, I want you to head your paper and I want you to write the title adjectives and underline it. Going to read each definition in a vocabulary term, and then you're going to pause the screen and copy what you see in your notebook. The first term, adjectives, words used to describe a noun, and I want you to read with me. The second vocabulary term is comparative adjectives, an adjective used to compare, describe one noun to another noun. Most of the time, the word ends with ER. Please remember that comparative adjectives, a lot of the times they end with ER. When I look at the word comparative, I see the word compare. I think of the word compare. When you compare, you're comparing two different things. Here's some examples: bigger, better, louder, younger. My brother is younger than I. ER. Let me scroll down a little bit. If I can. Term 3 is superlative adjectives. Superlative adjective. An adjective in the extreme comparison. They allow the writer to take the comparison of nouns to its highest or lowest limit of the quality being compared. The words typically end with EST. So when I see the word superlative, I think of super, think of the highest limit or the lowest limit, and they end with EST. Examples: best. There's nothing better than best. Biggest of all. So if you're comparing several nouns, the biggest one is the top. Super. Loudest. And here's an example of the lowest limit. Youngest. Can't go no lower than youngest. And all of these were superlative adjectives end with EST. After you finish writing down your vocabulary terms, I want you to go back to your Google Doc and I want you to watch the video on adjectives, and I want you to take notes. After you take notes, you're going to complete your independent practice and then move on to social studies, which we're reviewing Addie's chapter 1 through 4. And then you're going to do your study island work, and then you're done for today. After you finish your study island work, I challenge you to go back to the objective page and just ask yourself or check off in your head all the objectives that you feel like we have completed today. I'm looking forward to seeing your responses. Don't forget to email us at grade3@sfacs.us, and take care. See you Wednesday.